Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to call without showing your number like unknown or no caller ID. It's very simple tips and tricks. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, simply open here setting option. Inside the setting option you just find out the phone menu. So here phone options are available. Just simply click here. Inside the phone option several options are available and one of the options are there, show my caller ID. You just simply click here, show my caller ID. Two SIM cards I'm using in my current iPhone, so personal and secondary. So which number you want hide, which number you are using for the during the call. So accordingly I select the personal. Inside the personal SIM, show my caller ID options are available. You just simply off this option. Now I just calling some of the number. I just simply calling on my personal number of another mobile. So look at this, I call and I am receiving like Android phone. It's like a private number. So using these tips and tricks you can very easily call of anyone without showing your number. And one more thing, you just pick the phone and look at this here screen, calling comes here in a private number. So using these tips and tricks you can call someone as a private number. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.